how to fix Telegram login SMS fee problem. So if you're facing issues with Telegram verification code not arriving or being charged an extra SMS fee, then in this case, you need to first uninstall Telegram application. Once you find the Telegram application, tap and hold on to your application and then go with the app info. From the app info, you need to just go with uninstall, which will be in the middle of your screen. Tap on uninstall. After uninstalling, go back, open up your Play Store, go with search, and under search, you need to search for Telegram and reinstall the application. Once you reinstall, the next thing you need to do is go with a VPN. So like for example, in my case, I'll go with this VPN. Make sure that you've installed this VPN. Once you've installed, you need to open it. After opening, set up this VPN, go with connect, wait for a few seconds and it will be connected. Once it's connected, you need to go back and now you need to open up your Telegram or tap and hold on to your Telegram. Go with the app info and here you will have an option of force stop. You need to force stop the application or go with notifications and turn on your notifications. If it is turned off, just go and enable the notifications for Telegram. After that, go back and go with permissions. Once you've done, you need to turn off the location on your device. So go with the control center and if you've turned on your location, you need to just go and turn it off. Once you turn off the location, your problem might be fixed. Now you can go back to your Telegram application, complete the phone number verification process, log into your account, and it will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.